Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the main brush jammed in your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge. This should fix the 99% of jams. If it's not some hardware issue, we can fix it. So at first you need to turn your robot upside down. Do this carefully with caution, not like I do. Just like that. Here, as you can see, we do have our main brush. Pull these things together, lift it, it's here. Now remove this brush over here, this brush from here, and now here we do get the brush, and here we get this all things. Now search for the tangled hair, strings, cables, rock fibers, and stuck objects. Here and here, both in these two places. If you see this, some things, just get rid of them. Apart from that, you can use some cleaning tool to cut and remove the rough debris. Here, as you can see, at the ends of the brush, we can find some cups that may be jammed. So just try to clean these all things. Clean the hair from the small bearings, make sure that the ends can spin freely. If they can, that's nice. If they can't, you need to just have it fixed. Now we can pull them back together. Just pull this straight to this hole, with caution of course, so that it can fit here. Now we have one placed, now we can place the second one. It's difficult to do so when you can't see everything clearly. This is my problem, and now here that's done. If you have still some problems, you need to just contact device support because your device which is broken, and this might be a hardware issue, and there is no other way to have it fixed in the service. Authorized service, of course. You don't really need to go to the foreign, not known, etc. Go to the authorized. Even if you have to pay, it's better to get the authorized repair than the false repair. Goodbye.